Hello everyone, myself Renu Narang, Computer Faculty, Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Ditupur Jatta, District Patiala. Today I am here to share my ideas via flashcards on the topic of cyber crime. What actually is cyber crime? Criminal activity committed by hackers or cyber criminals who want to make money is cybercrime. It involves a computer and a network. Warren Buffett, a famous American business magnate, describes cybercrime as the number one problem with mankind. There are various types of cybercrimes. So let's discuss some of the types of cybercrime. The very first cybercrime and the most dangerous one is the phishing scam. It is the most dangerous that online scam that targets consumers by sending them an email and asking them for personal information like bank account, passwords or credit card numbers. So, what can I do to protect such kind of phishing scams? Do not click on any of the unknown link in the unknown email you get in your email or message inbox. Do not enter your personal information as nobody asks for. This is the only thing that you can prevent such kind of scams. The next crime that I am going to discuss is online impersonation. It is the most commonly committed crime. Person uses someone else's credit or debit card details without his or her permission. It is a form of harassment on the internet in which internet user creates a fake profile pretending to be you. The next cybercrime that I am going to discuss is the most common one in today's world, in today's scenario, is social network frauds. Such kind of crimes are done by using social media sites, and fraudsters use this site to advertise various kinds of scams to a large audience. They post anything from investment opportunities to items for sale for doing such a fraud. The next cybercrime that I am going to discuss is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a kind of harassment using electronic means. It is increasingly common among the youngsters or the teenagers. It may include posting rumors, threats or someone's personal information, which may lead to depression, frustration and anger among the teenagers and the youngsters of today's world. The next crime that I am going to discuss is password trafficking. A criminal offense. It is an act of sharing, selling or buying stolen passwords. Criminals can use it to access bank or personal details. They use the stolen login credentials for access, or we can say for account takeover, which often leads to identity theft. Does changing your password stop hackers? Yes, we should frequently change our passwords for security. Now, last but not the least, the last cybercrime is cyber extortion. It is the act of cyber criminals demanding payment through the use of some kind of malicious activity such as ransomware, which is the most common form of cyber extortion. So, this was all about cybercrime. Now, here is how we can protect ourselves against cybercrime. We should use strong passwords, keep software updated. We should manage our social media settings. We should talk to our children, as they are the ones which are using internet very frequently nowadays. they are using their classes, they are doing their classes online, so they can be the most prone to such kind of cyber crime, any kind of cyber crime. It is the need of the hour that we should talk to our children. The worst thing that can happen in the cybercrime world is, if anything wrong happens to you, you can post your complaint on the cybercrime portal, and you can click on the link below given, that is cybercrime.gov.in. We can register our complaint, we can track our complaint to get the detail of the complaint we have registered. So friends, this is all about cybercrime. And last, or I can say that I can sum up my video by saying this is be cautious and be safe. Thank you so much.